The Sea and Sky Microscope, a new kind of microscope inspired by nature. Welcome back to StorySpectrumHub, where we bring you the most fascinating and inspiring stories from around the world. In today's episode, we explore the world of microscopy and how a biologist has invented a new kind of microscope inspired by the sea and sky. This groundbreaking invention has the potential to revolutionize the way we observe and study biological specimens. So, join us on this exciting journey and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest episodes. The birth of the Sea and Sky Microscope. It all started with Dr. Petra Dish, a marine biologist who was studying the eyes of crustaceans. She was fascinated by how these creatures were able to see so clearly both in water and in air. This led her to think about the optics of the sea and the sky, which ultimately inspired her to invent a new kind of microscope. The Sea and Sky Microscope uses a novel optical system that allows it to capture images of specimens in both air and water without having to change lenses or reposition the sample. This is a major breakthrough in microscopy and has the potential to change the way we observe and study biological specimens. Advancing the field of microscopy. The Sea and Sky Microscope has already started to make waves in the field of microscopy. It has been used to study a wide range of specimens, from the eyes of insects to the skin of whales. Its unique capabilities have allowed researchers to observe specimens in ways that were previously impossible. But the potential of the Sea and Sky Microscope doesn't stop there. Dr. Dish is already working on improving the design and capabilities of the microscope. She envisions a future where the Sea and Sky Microscope is used in fields beyond biology, such as materials science and engineering. The Sea and Sky Microscope is a game-changer in the world of microscopy. Its unique design and capabilities have already advanced our understanding of biological specimens, and its potential applications extend far beyond the field of biology. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Story Spectrum Hub, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest stories.